Hello everyone, hope you all doing well. Today I'm making very interesting recipe, healthy banana bread with oats. It's very easy and quick recipe. You can make it in 20 to 25 minutes. I have 2 cups of oats, 3 ripened bananas, 2 eggs, some vanilla essence, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and pinch of salt. I had half cup of brown sugar. You can add regular sugar as well. And I add 3 tablespoons of white chocolate and blend it well. Now I'm gonna add some dark chocolate chunks. I'll post all the ingredients in the description box and you can see it's very easy. Yes, it's all done, and now I'm gonna bake this on 180 to 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. You can adjust the temperature according to your oven, and you can see how beautiful it looks like. Very chewy and soft and smells incredibly amazing. Now I'm gonna dish out my banana bread and cut it into pieces. You can enjoy this with tea or coffee. Very soft and very chewy, amazing, deliciously soft and very moist. Don't forget to follow my Instagram account and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be back soon with new recipe. Take care.